Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to fill Rotring Isograph. This is a technical pen, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video for more information about these pens if you're new to these and you've never used them. To take the pen apart for refilling, you just simply twist off the cap here. This one's already got some ink in it, and I'll be making a video about how to clean these. But for now, as an example, I'll just show you how to fill these. You twist this off. Make sure you're not squeezing too tight because you don't want to break the plastic. Now I'm going to uncap my ink bottle. Now this part here, I take this off. The end of this will fit inside of this here so that you can refill it. So now I simply take the ink bottle, making sure that's lined up, and I place some of the ink inside. Don't forget to put the caps back on your ink bottles or you're going to have a mess. Make sure you're holding this upright so you don't get ink all over the place. Then you simply take this into the pen, place it on the ink reservoir, gently press down. And when you're done, make sure that this here is pressed all the way against this, because if not, you're going to get ink that's going to flow out of this small space. Then I simply take this, twist that back on, and that's it. If you have any more questions about how to fill these, let me know in the comments below. But for now, thank you for watching, subscribe, and have a good day.